If you want to see how I paint on a cake, then you are at the right place. Let's start by rolling out some white fondant. A quick tip here, always add some Tylose powder to your fondant while you are kneading it, so it can firm up your fondant. So it makes it much easier to draw or paint on it. I like to use the sheeter machine to roll out the fondant to save some time and energy. Let's sketch out our main character using yellow edible pen. I like to use yellow because we can paint over it later. It won't so full like black edible pen will. Time to paint. So I use white, ivory, chestnut brown and pink edible gel food color for our cake painting. In here, I used the edible white gel food color to paint his mustache as a base color. Then I diluted the ivory gel food color with water to thin it down. Some people like to mix it with alcohol, but after it evaporates, the color will be less concentrated. So that's why I always prefer using water more. I added some chestnut brown gel food color on top of the ivory layer to add some more dimension. For the shading, I add some light grey gel food color around his mustache. Let's draw his eyes using black edible pen. Remember to leave some white as highlight. Then I added some water to the blue gel food color and blend it out. And to his other eyes as well. Give him a few more brush strokes to add some more texture. Then you want to add some white gel food color in the center to highlight his flat. And give him a little nose. To make him look more feety, we will be adding some grey gel food color as shading. To the other cat. Just like the cat we painted before, exactly the same, adding some white as the base color. Then I added some caramel brown for both of his eyes. And dip a little bit of water to blend it in. It will create smooth gradient. For this cat, we will be painting him with some black fur. Of course, you can paint him with any color you want. How about a pink cat? Just to make it extra fancy. Anyway, he needs some hair as well. You want his hair pointing to different directions, and some longer and some shorter. Then I use a smaller brush and adding a few more messy brush strokes to make it look extra fluffy. Then taking a clean brush to soften the dark grey. Nearly forgot his mouth. Just make sure his mustache is 100% dry before you draw on top of it. It's time to fill in our background. I diluted some navy gel food color with water again to paint the sky behind them. Just pay attention to the area around the cat. Tap your brush on a piece of kitchen paper to dry it, then blend in the blue. Then I added some black gel food color to give some more depth to the background. Then continue blending it in. I like to finish the painting before I put it on the cake, so the color won't be dripping off. Again, dry your brush a little bit and continue blending. Some highlights to make his eyes pop, and to his nose as well. For the star, I use the end of my paintbrush to create some white dots all over the sky to make it more interesting. Your fondant painting is completely dry, you can use paneling method to cover the cake. Instead of the traditional method where you put a large piece of fondant on top of your cake and work around to make sharp edges. If you are not sure what is paneling method, you can click on the screen right now on the top. That video will show you step by step on how I using paneling method to cover the cake. Well done if you make this far. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hope this video helped you in some way. And if you want to see more videos from me, then do hit the subscribe button so you will be notified in the future. I will see you in my next video. Bye!